Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the file's state: saved, backed up, and not open elsewhere. Once done, open Word and go straight to File Open or Recent to find it. Make sure to note its location: OneDrive, local disk, or a shared folder, because deletion behavior differs. If it's synced to OneDrive, you'll remove the cloud copy too. If it's local, you'll remove only that file. Now, select the file to act on it. You can delete from within Word. Go to File Info, choose Manage Document and pick Delete. Word confirms and removes it. Alternatively, close Word and use File Explorer or Finder. Locate the file, right-click and choose Delete or Move to Trash. Once removed, remember that deletion often lands in recycle bin or trash. If you need permanent removal, empty those. Also check OneDrive's recycle bin if the file was synced, because cloud copies persist until you clear them. To finish, confirm the file no longer appears in Word Recent or System Search. That verifies deletion. If Windows or Word blocks deletion, close apps that may lock the file, check folder permissions, or temporarily disable OneDrive Sync and try again. If you accidentally deleted the wrong file, restore it quickly from Recycle Bin or OneDrive's Recycle Bin while retention is active. And if problems persist, restart your computer. That often releases file locks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.